LPG tanker collided with fishing vessel, one fisherman died, Thailand. LPG tanker NP BANGPAKONG reportedly collided with coastal fishing vessel on April 23 some 8 nanometers west of Koh Chang Island, Trat Province, Thailand, eastern Gulf of Siam. Of each crew on board a fishing vessel, 1 died, 7 were rescued. Tanker was en route from Vietnam to Laem Chabang. According to report, tanker returned to collision site and assisted in rescue. LPG tanker NP BANGPAKONG, IMO 9020455, DWT 3996, built 1991, flag Thailand, manager SC Management CO Ltd, Bangkok.